आ, अब मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा मिजोरम से, और हमारे मिजोरम से एक प्यारा सा मिजो कवि पोएट हमारे बीच है, वो है के लालनुन जामा लालनुन जामा जी, और उनको फेलिसिटेट करने के लिए मैं आग्रह करूँगा। I may request our volunteers to felicitate him with an Aronai.
Our poetry topic is, in my language, Cholna. In English, rest. Let me read first in my language. Leinun kathirin, leilung hitsep katia. Thina besay na kazonga, dam thalhelin katlan thung. Du soy kadu ema. Katong siat atlem si. Cholna cholhen na love. Mi trapri kasiathian nuini kas ema ke hinale ruma ka trahian midang chu an nui le si nun hitlan siat san kadua khoya nge ka kalang chollen kadu chang hian du thu sam kanaya kanai kathir wang hian du thu sam reng om silo leilong moi tu te kathir hian an hlimvek nin ka sia an thuru khiat chakin chol tum mi chol man lovin ka buaya khifim thokara te thingna riseng sengkara sirwale rengchal zai ngai tha in chol na chu wazongila ka ngai tuana le suang tuana chol ngai lo hi chol se chol na zon ngai lovin. Let me read the translation. A glimpse of this life manifests the art's suffocation. My dead soul shouting a lost hope. With the slimmest chance of finding one, I made my run. I have so many to express and say, but then I am constrained by my limited knowledge, and I find no eternal shelter in my refuse. I find laughter loathsome upon hearing the weeping of men, yet all men mock and laugh. As I dwell in awful pain, I long to escape the queer reality of life, without having a clue of where to hide. In times when I long to rest in eternal comfort and peace, I have dreams and aspirations, but when I examine my possessions, there is not enough reason to dream. I see the world as a wonderland where everyone seems happy and gay. In the loneliness to experience their secrets, my restless soul wanders aimlessly. In the midst of the gentle breeze, between the rustling of the quiet leaf, in the chirping of the birds and the beetles, I search to find peace. If my heart, my soul that never rests, finally find their rest in eternal bliss, would I still be searching for the peace that I long have been looking for? Thank you.